In this video, we're going to introduce the idea of systems or a system of linear equations in two variables. All right, what does that mean? Well, a system of linear equations is two or more equations with the same two variables. Think x and y when I say the same two variables. And systems of equations are solved simultaneously. All right, so let's look at these three examples, Roman numerals 1, 2, and 3. And in order to have a system of equations, I've got to have more than one equation. And in this first example here, you can see there is only one equation. And in this example, number 2 and number 3, in both of these, there are two equations. And note, too, that there are two variables. In this one, you have x equals 5, and in the second one, you have y equals x plus 1. So these two equations are considered a system. And in this third example here, these are both part of a system of equations. You've got the same variables, y and x, and you've got at least two equations. All right, so a system of equations, is two or more equations with the same variables, two variables, think x and y. Systems of equations are going to be solved simultaneously. And what do I mean by that? Well, literally, I mean they're going to be solved at the same time. Okay, let me take a pause here, and I'll set you up for our next part of this video. All right, in this part of our video, we are asked, is this ordered pair 3, negative 4 a solution of the system? And by the way, here's a little hint or preview. As you can see, the solution for the system is an ordered pair, and hopefully that's a hint to you that somewhere in here we will be graphing. That's coming up later. All right. So, as I said, these systems of equations are solved simultaneously. In other words, does this ordered pair work for both of these? Well, how are we going to find out? We're going to do some substitution. Is it true that 3, x here obviously is 3, multiplied by 3, plus negative 4 equals 5? So let's find out. 3 multiplied by 3, of course, is 9. Adding negative 4 is the same as subtracting 4. Does that equal 5? And the answer is yes, that is going to work for that equation. And how about for our second one? We have the equation x minus y equals 7. Is it true that 3 minus negative 4 equals 7? And of course, this becomes 3 plus 4, which equals 7. And we can see that this is, in fact, a solution as well. So we have solved both of these equations, given this as a solution to the system, and the answer is yes, 3, negative 4 is a solution to the system of equations 3x plus y equals 5, x minus y equals 7. Alrighty.